Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. I am here for the FOMC live analysis of the gold. Now I want to share with you the chart of the gold. Here we have the gold 15 minutes chart and we are discussing the now gold has completed its high. According to my analysis, let us see what happens. Now I am going to show you because no change in the rates, so it is positive for US dollar and negative for gold. This is the high that has been completed, and I think the market will be retesting between these two levels. Now where do we expect market will, if market breaks this level to the downward, it will go down, and it is high probability that today the market is expected to break this low to the downward, but not from here directly. It is high probability that mm, it will be retested from these, from between these levels. Now on the, now let us watch it here and make this visible. Now on the 5 minute time frame, we let us find the probability of the retest on the 5 minutes time frame. Now where do we expect on the 5 minutes time frame, what was the breakout of this level? So I think market will be coming down from between 5311 and 5325, in between. The market is expected to retest and come down. On the higher time frames, what level do we expect? If market comes down for pullback, trend will remain bullish, but now let us find the pullback level. What is expected, what I am expecting, the pullback is expected around here 4900. I think around here I am expecting a pullback up to this level. Then market will keep its trend upward. Now let us move to the 15 minutes time frame and watch it here. What is, now let us make it bigger and easy to watch. Now why do I say think so? Because I call this reference levels. These are away from each other. While downward, all the 15 minutes references are merged. So it is high probability that the market will be coming down. And what, where do we expect if this level is broken to the downward? I was expecting it to go much high for a retest. Still, I'm expecting at the time of the press conference, we are expecting this retest in between. So this is the 15 minutes time frame. Now what, because the references are very away from each other. If you will keep watching my channel, my analysis and my live analysis, I will explain you gradually. You will be able to understand what are references. So these references has distance and these are all merged. So I don't know whether it will go to retest here or coming down, but it is high probability according to my analysis that market will be coming down for a pullback. Now let us see what happens, because it will move fast at the time of the press conference. It is waiting now on the 5 minutes time frame. Yes, exactly. The market is moving around these levels. So if it breaks this high, then we can't say anything, because if the market is going to break this high, then it is a simple, it will go up. But I don't think so. This is just my analysis. And the reason is, what is the technical reason that I am saying this? It is the 15 minutes references away from, not nearby. Now, if you want to understand this concept, why was this move downward? Because these 15 minutes reference were very away from these 15 minutes. So market came down, and while coming up, it made many references to break this to the upward. So these 15 minutes are alone, we don't have any reference nearby. While to the downside, all the references are merged. So it is high probability that the market will be coming down. So let us see what is your analysis. What do you think of this? My analysis. So if you are watching this right now, or you will be watching this in the future, you can comment on this my live analysis, and also what happens and what does market do. We will keep discussing. Now we have 5 minutes in the press conference, and the market is coming near to its retest levels, and I'm expecting it 5311 near to it. It is expected to be between 5307 maybe, or 5311, because it could go. But I don't think the market is, according to my analysis, is expected not to break the high today, and will be coming down. The reason is that rate cuts, though, were not expected, and are not done. One reason, and the second technical reason, on the pure price action price level, this is the these all the levels, 15 minutes time together, and the market is not going up even for the retest of the expected levels, though I market. Now let us see on the 1 minute time frame. What do we see here? The market won't leave, because gold is so uh, difficult to trade retests, and every time it breaks retests so much so that, so I think that the market will be retesting somewhere around here. Now what other level that I was saying? 5307. Now let us put somewhere here. This is not, I was, but it goes deeper. But okay, let me adjust this. Okay, we want, let me, 5307. and re- so I am expecting the what other level 5311. Here we have 5311. So market is expected to retest between these two levels or between here and the break of ultimately breaking of the 5235. It will be signaling the downtrend, though the trend will be bullish, but it like that is gold is looking for a pullback. Now let us see what happens. What does market do? This is just my analysis. So we have 1 minute to go, and in the press conference, but it looks like that gold is not going far further retesting. It can go. We don't know exactly what is going to happen. We are expecting. So yes, it is retesting whatsoever. No, it is what time frame we have? 1 minute time frame we have here. So let us see what level is expected to be retested. No doubt it can break to the any side, but this is pure my analysis on today's FMC rate cuts decision and the uh, this setup on the price action. So let us see what happens. Gold is moving to the levels that I was expecting to be retested. I think between these, now this is the 1 minute time frame market. Let us see what happens. The market is approaching to the, perhaps it retested only 5307. Is it coming down? Oh no, not going to, no, it is going deep in between. And I think my high probability is 5311 or a bit something like this. What is market doing right now? Not going to, no, it would leave. It's trying its best to retest, and my analysis it is 5311, but wha- wick of these 1 minute, not above than this. This is my analysis, pure price action analysis. The market has, it is coming down. I think so. This is 1 minute time frame chart. I think the retest is complete now. Let us see what happens. This is a nice downward move now expected, and I'm expecting, oh no, it is going deeper. I'm expecting the wick around the wick of this 1 minute, high of this 1 minute time frame. No, it is coming down, not touching it. Let us see. No, no, no. Gold won't leave anything. Gold doesn't leave anything without retesting. The retesting, maybe it could go break high. I don't know. Yeah, oh yes, it is coming near to this high of this 1 minute time frame wick. Somewhere here. Oh, it is broke in now. I think coming down. Yes, exactly. It hit that wick 1 minute time and penetrated into it. I think now retest is complete. Now, if it goes and break this high, this is the market. I don't exactly know. Then I will be wrong in my analysis. I can, possible I can be wrong because this is just the analysis. But now we move to the higher time frame to see what happens next. Now, what level is expected to be broken? Now, on the 15 minutes time frame, if it comes down, this break of this level will be, oh, coming 15 minutes are coming down now. Now, I think 15 minutes are coming down. The simple reason is, what is the simple reason? It's the technical analysis, the merge references on the 15 minutes time frame. This has no nearby 15 minutes. So I'm expecting breaking of this level and pull back up to 4,900 or nearby. I will keep you updated if gold will survive breaking. I don't think it will be able to break the above. It anything is possible, but because it has no references, but it can make references. It is done by because this level also has previous level also has no references, but gold made the references here, then broke it to the upward. Same way by consolidating here, gold can make references, but for the time being, gold has no references, merge references to the upward. Now let us move to the once again 1 minute time frame. Make it yes. Nice retest, expected retest. Now this is the 1 minute time frame I was expecting, and this has been rejected on the 1 minute time frame from exactly it it penetrated into it, ultimately rejected on the 1 minute time frame. Now let us see what happens. Gold has no reason to stop. Everything is done excellently if it come down. So we are expecting it's. I am expecting. This is my just my analysis, technical as well fundamental. Now we are expecting time frame. Now let us move to the because on the 15 minutes time frame here we have the mixed references, but gold develops references. Here there was no nearby reference. Gold has consolidated here and made references. So it's my analysis is being looks like proved wrong. It can make here references and maybe it could go up. It has already broken this high. So it will be now using this level as support. Okay. I was also expecting that this will be a good experience for me also. in between these two levels also. So this proved to be wrong, but here what is expected? Now here on the 1 minute time frame, which 1 minute? Because if it breaks high, then we don't have any retest option. We will say it, but we can find this way the retest levels. If the retest, I am still on same analysis until this is broken to the upward. Now, if we count this here, this is the level that has been retested. But now let me remove these levels. Now on the 1 minute time frame, gold has passed by, but this is the level that is, because I am not expecting breakout to the upward unless it consolidates here 15 minutes time frame, then break. It could make references here. Now gold to the upward on the 15 minutes time frame and 19 minute 5319 and 5325. Yes, so gold will be coming down now according to my analysis, because now we have only two references nearby, all other references are downward. So gold, if want to go up, will have to make 15 minutes time frame references here near to this, and then keep its move to the upward. Otherwise, it has downward many references. Now let us see what happens. It's going here. Once any high or low is completed, gold mostly goes near to it. Unless it breaks any all-time high, then it keeps going to one side. But when it consolidates, it makes highs and lows, and those are retested. So maybe it could break it, or it is just the retest. Whatever we think, whatever we do, but this is the market that moves this way. Now I think retested. If I'm now, let us see what happens. Or it could break to the upward. What can we do? We don't know what will happen, but I think now we are done with the retesting. So what can we do? What can we do? It is the market moves its way. It is when the first time high is broken, all time high, after heavy consolidation, then the market goes to the one side. But I'm not expecting this. These are the markets could move. No one who can predict. No one can predict exactly markets. So on the 5 minutes time frame, let us see what is what is on the 5 minutes time frame. This has been broken two times, retested. But if market tries, oh yes, now it is coming down. It went too far. Now frames on these levels. Now broke into the upward, then we can't say anything that it is going down or not. But if the doji of the 1 minute is broken to the downward, then we say that the market is coming down because these are the two attempts to break to the upward, and now it is looks like it is breaking to the upward in the 5 minutes time frame, because if it is upward, then 5 minute time frame uh, will be merged. Uh, References will be merged now here. Now let us see what happens. Here we have many 5 minute time frame. This is broken. It has gone too deep, or it is breaking high until it is not broken. Oh, it is now what remains? It is being broken. Being broken. The last. Now on the 1 minute time frame, we see here just the 1 minute remaining, and it looks like what remains now, because still there is some, maybe it doesn't break, but it is broken to the upward, then nothing remains, and my analysis proved to be wrong. High broken, market is going upward. I got, that is a nice example for me to be wrong. Here it made 5 minutes references and broke the high. Now, how the market goes? Now, let us see what happens with the market. Does this, because now, if as the high is broken, so now let us see if here the consolidation of 15 minutes time frame, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, broke into the upward, and ultimately it broke to the high. Now let us see what happens. because the high is broken, but maybe this is the completion of the high. Three times it has improved its position. So sometimes this is not high broken. This is the completion. Same day high broken. I'm still the doubtful of the market for expecting it to go up. The reason is simple, but fact is fact. The way market move, we have to accept it. I must also accept it. Markets do not think like we think. Markets are markets. They move. They keep moving. So our thinking patterns, our biases has nothing to do the way the market moves, but it we must be sincere in our analysis. So thanks for watching. Done for the day. Uh, Anything that you could ask me, you could discuss with me, but these are the facts of the markets. Same day, three highs broken, and still we can say that this is the all-time high broken. So the markets keep moving like this way, and consolidation breakouts are the facts. So now let us see. And because most of the time I have not seen this, because same day three highs broken and we call it all-time high. I'm still in doubt, but the fact is fact, because the market went for a low, so we could say. But anyway, we will have to accept the facts. But I will be surprised if the market keeps going up, and this will be new experience for me. Three all-time highs same day, and no completion of the high on that day if the market keeps going up, because market needs some consolidation to the downward to keep moving up. And the market the way has moved today, I'm still bearish and expecting it. Let us see what happens. It could be retesting to the downward, but this will be a quite new experience for me, that market did not complete the high but kept making all-time highs three times in the same day at high. So first it was, now let us see which were these 15 minutes, which were the levels same day. Now first the market came here for the, then here, and third same day. First this was the high, it was broken. Then this was here, it was broken. Now it is going upward. This will be quite surprising if the market keeps going up, because market could keep, anything is possible. I don't say that, but this is a quite new experience for me. But sometimes this could happen because it was retested here, support was retested, we could say. But high, what was the high? This was the low of the market, and market without breaking this, first broke this low, and from this low broke this high. So now this was the high of the market and this was the low of the market. Now this is the high of the market. So quite a strange way. The same day market makes three all-time highs. What what experience. Though in the past I wouldn't have noticed these things, but things happen. And now let us see where up to what level gold goes up to. So this is a nice experience, and these experiences are very important. Now what could we say? We must be now here it is consolidating on the 1 minute time frame. But what happens? Oh yes, the market is going upward, and is the fact we will have to accept. 5,336 the market is moving and keeping. Now let us see where does it go, where does it reach, and what are your experiences. It will be very nice if you share your experience. So this is what these are the experiences that can teach us price action lessons. To the down 15 minutes time frame uh, are merged. So while coming down, market has no issue. It can fall down heavily. It has the issue to the upward, not to the downward. So let us see what happens. It goes beyond our imaginations to the upward. So let us see what does market do. Not three highs broken to the same day. Now let us see 4 hour time frame. The 4 hour time frame. What do we see here? This is the 4 hour time frame. These are the all three marked highs broken in the same 4 hour. Okay. First this was broken, and then second and third highs both made in the same 4 hours. If the next 4 hours begin below this level, then the market could break to the downward also. Downward wicks are not filled. These upper wicks are filled to the upward. But let us see what happens. This is the 4 hour time frame. I'm expecting pullback somewhere here. Because this could just be by thinking, but anyway, I am expecting it to be coming down for the pullback up to on the 4 hour time frames. I'm expecting pullback 49 something here. Now below this, I am expecting somewhere even up to this level. I am expecting a pullback. It doesn't matter what I am expecting. What does market do? We are watching. I'm just sharing with you the difference of high broken. Now here we see this I was broken after how many 4 hours? This was the high. Then market came for 4, 4, 8, 8, 12, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, and 33 hours it was broken to the upward. And here this was the high, broke in the same 4 hour, made a new high that was broken, and this is the third high in the same 4 hour without any consolidation like this. Let's see what happens. What does market do? Now this is the high. I'm I am sharing with you this experience as this was FOMC, so maybe market could come down right now. Okay, now I'm leaving. I'll be subscribe my channel and watch my analysis next time. Bye for now.